Hi, my dear children. Welcome back to our maths class. Hope all of you are doing well. Let's continue our chapter Circles. In the previous class, we learned about circles, center of a circle, radius, and drawing circles with specified measures using a compass. Today's first activity, draw a circle of radius 3 centimeters. If a point is 5 centimeters away from the center, would it be inside or outside this circle? Let's find out. First of all, mark a point. Then take a ruler and a compass. Take 3 centimeter in the compass and draw a circle by moving the compass around the point. Here we have drawn a circle. Now measure the radius. It is 3 centimeters. Then mark the radius. Centimeter. Now, the next part of the question, if a point is 5 centimeter away from the center, would it be inside or outside this circle? Here, from the center to a point on the circle, it is 3 centimeter. Then where will be the point? 5 centimeter away from the center. Here I had marked a point 5 centimeter away from the center. Is it inside or outside the circle? The point 5 centimeter away from the circle of radius 3 centimeter would be definitely outside the circle. The point 5 centimeter away from the center would be outside the circle. Is it clear for you? Next, activity number 2, triangle from circles. Here, draw a line 2 cm long. Draw 2 circles, each of radius 2 cm, centered at the end point. Now draw a triangle like this. What are the lengths of the other two sides of this triangle? First of all, we have to draw a line 2 cm long. Then mark the endpoints. Then take 2 cm in your compass. Then from the right endpoint, draw a circle of 2 cm radius. Then from the left endpoint, draw another circle of radius 2 cm. Now, we got a figure like this. Now, mark a point where the two circles intersect or cross each other. Here, the length of this side is 2 cm. Now, join these points and draw a triangle. What is the length of the two sides of this triangle? Yes, it is 2 cm. Here also 2 centimeters. These two sides of the triangle forms the radius of these two circles. Is it clear for you? Activity number 3. Draw 3 circles of the same radius as shown below. If we join the centers of outer circles and the points where they cut across the middle circle, we get a hexagon. Let's draw a hexagon using the 3 circles. First of all, mark a point. Then take the ruler and compass and take the measure 3 cm in it. Now draw a circle of radius 3 cm. Now take a ruler and place it over the circle such that the center of the circle touches the ruler. Now mark points on the circle towards the left and towards the right. Now from these 2 points, draw 2 circles of the same radius. Now we got 3 circles like this. Mark the points where the circles cut across the middle circle. Now join these points and tell me which is the shape you got. Here we had drawn hexagon from these 3 circles. Have you all understood this? There is a homework activity for you. All circles in the picture below are of the same radius. Can you draw this in your notebook with circles of radius 3 cm? Color this picture using crayons and make it a very beautiful Attapukkala. That's all for today, children. Hope all of you understood what had taught today. Okay, thank you.